Guys, this is a lovely patient of ours who was complaining of general hollowness in the face, namely hollowness of the cheeks, as well as the under eyes and prominent laugh lines or nasolabial folds. So we've gradually increased her volume in her face, and I've done that by placing fillers in both cheeks in a very subtle way, as well as placing fillers in the hollow under eyes on both sides. So here's after picture. This is about a year later after we've gradually done this for her over that time. As you can see, she looks much more rejuvenated, fuller, less hollow, fewer crevices and lines, and overall a much more smoother and youthful look because the contours flow into each other much more smoothly. So she loves her results. I love her results. She's got very nice, beautiful bone structure to begin with. We just enhanced her beautiful features in this after picture with our fillers. Love this result, home run.